Introducing the Drip On Demand Kit, a modular drip irrigation system by Newline. Perfect for all your outdoor hanging baskets and containers. Your Drip On Demand Kit includes 50 feet of tubing, 10 drip nozzles and all the tees, elbows and other items you will need for a complete install. You will need basic hand tools depending on where you are mounting the system. To begin, thread the garden hose adapter fitting directly onto your hose faucet or the end of your garden hose. Installing a dual shutoff garden hose Y would allow you to use your faucet without disconnecting the drip system, but it is not included. Dual outlet water timers provide a convenient way to automate your watering schedule, also sold separately. Next, route the tubing back from the faucet or hose to the desired structure. Use the supplied tees where required and tube support clamps to attach the line as needed. Cut the tubing where you would like to run a drip nozzle and insert one of the T fittings, creating a branch in the main supply line. Cut a separate piece of tubing to the desired length over the area you want to water. And insert a drip nozzle into the end of the tube. Ensure the tube is pushed fully into the tube stop for a proper seal. To disengage the tubing, push in the collet ring firmly against the face of the fitting. The tube can now be pulled out. You can further customize your Drip On Demand kit with additional tubing, sold separately. However, pressure drop may come into effect over excessive distances. Your Drip On Demand irrigation system is ready to use. Turn on and enjoy. For more information, visit new-line.com.